Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you jumpstart your Dodge journey. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged. Carefully position the donor vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles are not touching each other to prevent any electrical short circuits. Now let's connect the positive cables. Identify the positive terminal on both the dead battery and the donor battery. It's usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Dodge Journey's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery, ensuring a firm connection. Next, we'll handle the negative cables. Attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery, which is typically marked with a minus sign. For the other black clamp, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Dodge Journey's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This provides a good ground connection. Never connect this clamp directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge the dead battery slightly. After this, try to start your Dodge Journey. Once it starts, let it run for a few minutes before disconnecting the cables. Disconnect them in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Journey, then from the donor car. Finally, remove the red positive clamps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.